This is the place of comfort where the gentle waves take you on your inner journey, far, far away from all discomfort, tensions, and worries of the world. Now, relax your body and begin by taking gentle, slow, and deep breaths through your nose. Now, you are looking at a beautiful, peaceful autumn scene. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. Now, recall the images of the lake you just saw. Visualize yourself sitting on the chair by the lake and watching the beautiful and peaceful lake. Now, you feel yourself becoming calm and comfortable as you are watching softly, gently rolling waves and scattered autumn leaves. It is very peaceful indeed. Now focus on the sensation of your body while breathing gently and deeply. When you slowly breathe in, you feel the fresh air filling your lungs and notice that your chest and belly rises. When you slowly breathe out, you feel the air coming out of your lungs and you notice your chest and belly falls. Now, continue to focus on your breath. Notice your breath becoming deeper and more comfortable. Feel all the tension gradually release from your body. As your breath becomes deeper and deeper, you feel all the tension release. Now you are mentally and physically comforted in a comfort zone. Now Visualize your healthy body and succeeding in everything you do. Stay in that image and feel yourself with all senses. When you open your eyes, you will notice yourself filled up with self-confidence. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.